How to create this trendy style logo in Figma. First, open a new design file and select the frame tool. Create a large frame like this and give it a dark background for eye comfort. Now create another frame about 300 by 300 pixels with a corner radius of 50. Go to fill, switch to gradient and pick your color. I'll use this one for now. Next, place any icon you want. I am using this Pinterest logo here. Now let's make it pop. Add an inner shadow. Set the Y position to 3 and pick a color you like. Add another inner shadow. Set the Y position to -6 and change the color for more depth. Then add a drop shadow. Adjust the settings until it looks good. Add one more drop shadow, this time with a color glow, and increase the blur to create that trendy 3D look. And that's it. Your logo is ready. You can even add some noise for extra texture, totally optional. Subscribe for more design tutorial like this.